Oh, it's back. Did you miss it? The 68 Pro Street Dodge Dart GTS, number 139 in the GTS Registry. It's back, and I'm happy. Delivered the truck this morning back to the owner, picked up the GTS. Well, we're going to talk about it and share a few things. We'll be right back. I'm Mike.
This is My Cars Shop.
I had shared a little bit of putting the truck in the trailer with you, just some still shots. And we loaded it up a couple weeks ago. I loaded it up. It's not like I have a mouse in my pocket. Got it in the trailer and strapped down, and we were just waiting for a good weather day so that we didn't get the car trailer all sloppy. And today was the day. The owner saw the truck for the first time in person. Couldn't be happier with it. It's not a perfect paint job. It's got some dry spots and stuff in it. It's just a driver quality truck, and when he gets it put back together again, motor in it, I get the box painted, etc. We'll go over it real quick and polish things up a little bit here and there, but it's going to look phenomenal. It does look phenomenal, and he's really happy with it. We were just getting ready to unload the truck at his place. It had pulled the GTS out, and I noticed a Detroit Edison pickup truck was going by, and he slowed down. I thought, well, he's checking out the Dart because it's loud and obnoxious and looks really cool, etc. And while we were rolling the truck out, this guy shows up. I thought was a friend of my buddy, and it wasn't. It was the guy from Detroit Edison. And he helped us unload the truck, and we spent quite a bit of time talking. And he's got a whole bunch of Mopars, and his neighbor has parts and Mopars. And so hopefully that's a great connection. So that was kind of exciting. Definitely there as well to make that connection. So he's got my number, and he's got the address for the channel here. So we'll see what develops from there. Things were definitely happening pretty fast and furious, and I didn't take time to shoot any video, but I did take an opportunity to look over the fleet side box that he has for that truck, and it looks like it's in good shape. It's going to need a little metal work, but there's no rust to be fixed, so a few dents and some bends to take care of. Inside the box is pretty beat up. We're just going to shoot bed liner in that. So the plan is to get that here probably in April, May, when the weather turns nice. And we'll get that in here real quick, get it on my cart, and get that knocked out, and get it back to him to put on the truck. So it's good progress forward, but let's take you out to the GTS. So there she is, dirty from sitting in his shed, but good to have her home. Very good to have the beast back. Missed those big old tires. I'd love to take it out and run it, but when we put it in the trailer, I discovered that it's got a fuel leak back here, so that alcohol-based fuel has definitely caused some damage to fuel lines, so we need to get some things replaced before we have a big fat fire. But it's good to have the girl home, that's for sure. I forget how much I really like this car until I haven't seen it for a long time. It's the first time it's been in this trailer. Fits nicely. A little hard to get in and out of, but that's kind of the nature of these box trailers anyway. I didn't want to do the Bo Duke thing and climb out the door. She definitely needs a little cleanup work under the hood. But the car has not seen much use in the last few years. It was parked for a long time because of an engine fire, and we got it back together a couple of years ago now, 4 or 5 years ago probably. And it's been gone for a year now, so it's good to have it back. I didn't turn the fuel pump on because I didn't want it leaking down on the floor, so I was just running it on what gas was still in the bowls, and plus it's cold. But I just wanted you to get to hear it again because I wanted to hear it, and even more importantly than that, I wanted to smell it. Ah, the smell of burning perfume. Ah. So that was just a quick update on what happened today here at my car shop. And as always around here, it's about spending the day. I just didn't take time to film today because things were happening pretty fast and furious, but I thought we could give you an overview and a summary and, well, you know. So there we go. So the truck's gone. The GTS is home. It's going to stay there for a while. The Oakland is back in the shop for Dad and I to get going on that again. And of course, we're back on the Stitches Challenger hot and heavy on this rear window. So lots of good stuff happening here in the shop. Stick around. Don't go away. Lots more coming on the channel. 3 episodes a week. Friday, Saturday. Friday, Sunday, and Tuesday at 7 a.m. I've been doing that for 4 years. You'd think I'd remember, but I don't. We will catch you on the next one. And don't forget, rock!